In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect KSecurities in Tradingview. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Tradingview or to broker connections, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll have KSecurities linked to your Tradingview account, so you can place trades directly from your charts. First, open your browser and go to the Tradingview website. You can type the address into your browser's address bar, or use your usual bookmark if you have one saved. Make sure you're signed into your Tradingview account before you move on, because broker connections won't work properly if you're not logged in. Once you're on the Tradingview homepage and signed in, look for the option called Supercharts. This is Tradingview's advanced charting interface, and it's where broker connections live. Click on Supercharts, and Tradingview will open a full charting window, usually with a default symbol already loaded. Give the page a moment to load completely. When the chart is visible, look along the bottom of the screen for the tab called Trading Panel. This panel is where you can see all the supported brokers and connect your accounts. Click on Trading Panel to expand it. If you don't see the broker you want right away, don't worry, that's what we're going to fix next. Inside the Trading Panel, you should see a list of a few popular brokers. To view every available option, click on the button or link that says Show All Brokers. This will expand the list, revealing the full set of broker connections that Tradingview supports in your region. With the complete list visible, you'll now search for KSecurities. There should be a search bar or a filter box within the trading panel. Click into that search field and type the name KSecurities. As you type, the list should narrow down and display the matching broker. When KSecurities appears in the list, click on it to start the connection process. Tradingview will usually open a new window or pop-up asking you to log in to your KSecurities account and authorize the connection. Carefully enter your credentials on the official KSecurities login page and confirm any permissions it asks for so Tradingview can access your trading account. Once the authorization is complete, Tradingview should show KSecurities as connected in the trading panel. From here, you'll be able to place orders, manage positions, and monitor your account directly from your charts, all through your KSecurities connection in Tradingview.